I'm surprised you were able to recognize that he was actually starting to hatch.
Why?
But it's split in his back.
Why does it surprise you? That's what I'm saying.
Oh, he's freaking cool. His wings.
This is the kind of little kid I was. That's what I'm saying. I can be myself around you, and it's really nice. I can be, oh, you're about touching his little head. He's very soft. You gotta be careful with damage him. Somebody just peed on me.
Yeah, I thought I saw a bird try to pee a second ago.
Be careful of him.
Recording a video right now.
Oh, I thought you were just taking pictures.
Is he done?
Mm-mm. Oh, he's trying right now. See, he's got his front legs out now, if you look. It's a long, slow process, but it's definitely worth watching.
Is that a stink bug?
Oh, I'm happy. Is that the same one?
Hey, stink bug. I want some camera time. Actually, see into his cocoon.
Mm-hmm. It's his husk.
There's an exoskeleton.
Mm-hmm. At this point, it's just a husk. It's not even...
Am I getting really close to him?
You got about an inch and a half between you and him. 2 inches, maybe.
Hey, Gooey. Hey, Sydney.
Gooey, look at the bug.
Gooey, look at the bug.
It's going to touch.
Yes, he's hatching. Isn't that cool? Make sure you don't touch him. He's very soft.
Are you ready for another day of exploring? What should we pack today?
You love that bear. You're silly.
Look, the brush. Backpack, backpack.
Oh, he's badass.
On a bright and sunny day, there's so much we can do. Anything that you might need, I've got inside for you. Backpack,
Don't get too close, because if you startle him, he could fall out of his husk and damage his wings.
Yeah! Yay! Yum, 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 yum. Delicioso! Are you ready
You're
for
a
an
little close.
adventure
Be
today?
careful.
Let's get packed and go. Find the friendship bracelet. Backpack, 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 backpack. On a bright and sunny day, there's so much we can do. Anything that you might need, I've got for you. Backpack,
Well, look at him.
backpack, backpack, backpack. Yeah! Yay!
Isn't it neat how his colors are brightening up?
Yum,
The back of him
yum,
looks creepy.
delicioso!
No, he's not creepy. He's an awesome bug.
Are you ready for another day of exploring? What should we pack today? Daddy.
Isn't it amazing, though, with like as his blood circulates, how his colors are brightening?
Mm-hmm.
Day.
Hmm?
The bacon day.
What does backpack say? What does who say?
Focus.
Hi,
You're
you.
so close to him. Don't startle him. He'll fall. Ouch, Cindy, that's loud.
Mom.
Hmm?
Use what? What'd you put in there? Who's sleeping?
I think you can take dogs more. Look at this guy. It was Hi, you. Are you ready for an adventure? Look, the backpack, 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 backpack. On a ride and sundown, so much we can do. Yum, 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 yum. Yummy, yum, Are you ready for another day of exploring? What should we pack today? Packing day. It's packing day.
It's packing day. Yeah, Daddy burned that in the fire last night.
What's mine, Daddy?
Gooey.
Is that mine, Daddy? Is that mine? You is mine.
What are you doing?
Is that mine?
I'm watching the cicada hatch.
There's a hat.
Yeah, see the cicada?
Uh-huh. Is one hatch?
He's hatching right now.
It's hatching.
Bless you.
Are you ready for an adventure today? Let's get packed and go.
Taking that cicada or what, love? You're gonna scare him. He's gonna fall backwards.
It's falling backwards.
Probably thinks I'm gonna eat him. Alright. I'm pushing up on 8 minutes of this video, so I'm probably gonna...
Look at my phone.
Just give him a minute and come back to him, you know? That's too long to post, huh? Sydney, go to the other door, Lana.
Alright, well, I'm just gonna let this guy be and do his thing. Those colors. I love the colors.
Need to see him once he's dry.